So Perplexity just announced something, Perplexity Deep Research. So this is supposed to be the response to OpenAI Deep Research, and also this is going to be deeper than the reasoning model that we just got a few weeks ago. So this is quite interesting, and this is available if you are using the Pro subscription of Perplexity. So if you are one of the member of Perplexity Pro, then be sure to check it out and try this new feature. Now, they actually give you some demonstration here in this announcement page, and I'm going to link that in the video comment or video description. And as you can see, the default mode versus deep research is very different. I think I have done this several times, and I can tell that the deep research is much more thorough. It's actually something that much more useful than the regular search. I think the regular search is okay, but the deep research is just amazing. So here's how you can use it. Now, I'm going to use a question. I'm going to send Perplexity this simple question: does pineapple belong to pizza? And yeah, this is just for testing, by the way. And for this time, I'm going to be using just the Pro search, and I'm going to send enter. And this time, as another testing, I'm going to use the reasoning R1. And lastly, this is going to be the the deep research right here. So you have to enable this to use the deep research feature, and just send the prompt. Now, there is something that you need to know. It is very, very similar to the reasoning model in the R1 and O3 mini, except it is much slower. It's like crazy slow. Like if you look at the regular search, the Pro search, it's already done, but the reasoning is, I think, still halfway there. But the deep research, it's almost not moving at all. So it's very, very slow, and that's why they offer you to enable this notification, so it will let you know that the research has been done and you can see the result. Now, I think I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to skip forward when it finally finished. All right, now the deep research model is starting to generate the answer after finishing all the research, while the other two, the Pro search and the reasoning model, is basically done a few minutes ago, but now it's finally for deep research answering the question. So yeah, this is very, very long. As you can see, if I go back to the Pro search, it is short. I think it's maybe just 200 words or maybe even less, but on the reasoning, it's a bit longer, but it's still relatively short. But on the deep research, well, it's very, very long. So I would imagine that this is going to be useful for content creation. And I think the result is very, very thorough, and I really like it. I'm not gonna lie, it's really good. Based on the structure itself, it's just way, way better. So yeah, I think that's really the benefit of using the deep research feature on Perplexity. I don't know what is the limit here, but I do believe that you are not going to be able to use it all the time. I think there's going to be some sort of limit at some point. But yeah, while it's still available, give it a try, and let me know what you think about this new feature.